Good afternoon. We'll now start. First of all, I'd like to welcome everybody to this pep talk this afternoon. Please mute yourself, but always show your video picture. Sign in your name, your Facebook account, or email address in the chat box. Please include the names of companions attending with you. Use the chat box to ask questions and make comments while the pep talk is on. There will be group pictures at the start and end of the pep talk, so please show your faces in the video. A reminder is that after the pep talk, please take the online Learning Cube evaluation test exercise for mastery of learning and have a perfect score to get a certificate like this one shown here. I have placed the link in the chat box. Another reminder, obtaining 25 OLETE certificates will entitle one mentee to a voucher for a RO Hoson medical consultation, either face-to-face or telemedical. Another request, please type in your feedback in the chat box during the open forum and before we adjourn. Let's now have a group picture taking before we start the pep talk proper in 2 minutes. Please turn on your video and show your faces. Okay. Set. Ready? One, two, wait. One, two, one, two, one, two, three. I have a patient empowerment program in which I like to empower the lay people or patients to take control in the management of their health. I started the pep talk on May 15, 2021 during the COVID-19 pandemic. There are 3 courses in the pep talk. I completed the core course on October 9, 2021. And then from October 23, 2021 onwards, I've been tackling health disorder and health issue courses. May 18, 2024, this year, last year marked the start of year 4 for the RO Hoson pep talk. How long the pep talk will last will depend on the enthusiasm, discipline, and perseverance of the mentees as well as myself. My pep talk today is entitled R.O. Hoson Breast Self-Specialist Exam Promotion Project. The empowerment objective is for the lay people to have an understanding of the importance of regular breast self-exam and breast specialist examination, practice in the early detection of breast cancer, and the R.O. Hoson Breast Self-Specialist Exam Promotion Project. Disclaimer that this pep talk will contains my thoughts, perceptions, opinions, recommendations culled from personal experiences as well as from writings of other health professionals. In the light of breast cancer being the most common in the world, sa buong mundo, and in the Philippines also, all females with breasts should always be on guard for breast cancer development in order to catch it as early as possible, and then to consult and have it treated as early as possible to avoid the high death rate in advanced stage. So hindi lang early diagnosis kasama na yung early treatment. Importante 'yon. Another reason why all females with breast cancer or with breasts should always be on guard for breast cancer development is that up to now, we still don't know its exact cause. 2,000 years na tayo ngayon, hindi pa natin alam yung eksaktong dahilan bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng breast cancer. The exact cause. Okay? So there is really no effective and practical way of prevention. Kasi hindi natin masyadong alam kung anong dahilan, kaya it's hard really to prevent. So because of that, it can strike anybody even up to now, as no female is totally immune from it. So pag babae kayo, pwede kayong tamaan. No? Also, it can strike anytime. Nobody knows when. Okay. So anybody can be affected by breast cancer. It can also strike anytime. So how should Filipino females be on guard for breast cancer development in order to catch it as early as possible? Currently, there are three ways. Number one is breast self-exam. Number two, breast specialist clinical examination. And then number three, imaging procedures such as mammography and ultrasound. So these are the current common three ways of screening for breast cancer. So, but what are the current practice of the Filipinas or in the Filipinas in the Philippines with regards to these three ways? So first of all, for breast self-examination, not all Filipinas who should be doing breast self-examination, so age 18 above, dapat gumagawa ng breast self-examination. Okay. So not all are doing it as a health habit. I would say wala akong statistics. I cannot produce any statistics, but I would say that a lot of them are not doing it. And most of you probably in the audience are not doing it also. So it's sad because breast self-examination is effective, simple, and cost nothing. So wala kayong gagastusin. Okay, and yet it's very simple to do. Mga less than 5 minutes, tapos na yon, no? And it's effective in discovering a breast cancer. Now, for the breast specialist clinical examination naman, so not all Filipinas who should be doing an annual breast check by a breast specialist are doing it as a health habit. Again, I would say that majority, a lot of them are not doing it. Okay. So dapat, strictly speaking, dapat may annual check-up by a breast specialist. Okay. So again, it's very sad to have this situation because breast specialist clinical examination is cost effective. So it can avoid unnecessary imaging procedures such as ultrasound and mammography. The breast specialist will order them only when needed. Kadalasan, ang ginagawa mo na yung mga imaging procedures and like ultrasound and mammography without going first to the breast specialist who will determine kung kailangan. So kung minsan sa kapalang ng breast specialist, alam niya kung normal or not o kung kailangan ng uh, mga mga imaging procedures. Okay. So pag normal, pwedeng wala na yung mga ultrasound and mammography. Kung merong duda yung doktor ng breast specialist, then that's time he orders for the mammography and ultrasound. So hindi siya routine. So So as to the third way of practicing in the Philippines, like imaging procedures such as mammography and ultrasound, again, a lot of Filipinas are just relying on imaging procedures such as mammography and ultrasound for screening for breast cancer and not doing or bypassing breast self-examination and breast specialist examination. This practice will turn out to be not cost-effective and not practical. Kasi kami kadalasan hindi kailangan din. Kadalasan marami ding false alarms. Meron ding mga inaccurate readings. No? So a lot of these examinations are done without a breast specialist being seen first. Okay. So as I said, again, these are the three ways being done in the Philippines as well as abroad. No? Breast self-examination, breast specialist clinical examination, imaging procedures such as mammography and ultrasound. So what should be the sequential order? My recommendation, you always start with the breast self-examination muna. Then after that, do the breast specialist clinical examination. Ito, monthly breast self-examination. Ito, kahit na annual, kung wala namang findings. Kung may findings, punta kagad sa breast specialist examination. And then the breast specialist will just determine kung kailangan yung mga imaging procedures. So, imaging procedures as indicated. So, kung meron siyang nakitang may duda, baka may bukol, no? Kasi kumisan sa early stage of the breast cancer, mahirap di pa clear cut yung findings. Kaya kumisan medyo malabo pa rin ang findings, and that's the time the breast specialist will order some imaging procedures. Why start the breast self-examination or BSE as the first and foremost strategy in being on guard against breast cancer development? Number one reason, because you carry your breast all the time, day in, day out. Number two, you can easily examine your breast at any time, anywhere, sa privacy of the toilet, of the bathroom, in your room, in your house. Okay. And then breast self-examination costs nothing at all, libre, no medical expense whatsoever. And it is simple and can be mastered as long as you are committed and are willing to learn and protect yourself from breast cancer. So it takes a parang determination and the will. So my advice is do not omit breast self-examination and jump to the second and third way. I'm not going to say because I'm breast specialist, punta kayo kagad sa akin. No, I will tell you, don't come to see me first without doing a breast self-examination. So gawa mo na kayo ng breast self-examination, and then yung sa akin, pwede i-reinforce yon kahit na once a year, no? Kung wala namang nakikitang problema. Okay. So imaging procedures such as mammography and ultrasounds are done as necessary lang. So why? If you do breast self-examination regularly, particularly monthly, okay, if you are committed and are trained to do it, you are in a better position to detect cancer, breast cancer early. So kadalasan, you're in a better position kasi dala-dala mo yung breast mo, pwede mo examine yung breast mo every now and then, repeatedly. Yung breast specialist naman, kung minsan nami-miss nila yung bukol, ganun din sa ultrasound and mammography, kung minsan nami-miss. Okay. So what should be the sequence of the practical for a practical breast cancer screening program? Breast self-examination first, regular monthly from age 18 to throughout life. Throughout life because, as I said kanina, it can occur anytime, it can occur at any age, kahit na matanda na, kahit na 90 years old, pwede pa rin tamaan ng breast cancer. So after the breast self-examination, then do the breast specialist examination, which is usually an annual breast check, okay, clinical or physical examination. Yung annual frequency is on the assumption na wala kayong nakikitang problema doon sa breast self-examination. Kung meron kayong napunami unusual findings sa breast self-examination on a certain month, takbo kagad sa breast specialist. Okay. You don't have to wait for 1 year, for 12 months to go for a breast check. Okay. Then after the breast specialist exam, then the imaging procedures can be done, okay, if indicated. Let the breast specialist decide on that. Okay. So this is my recommendations for a practical breast cancer screening program. When I say practical, it's simple, cost-effective, in the long run, in detecting early breast cancer among Filipino women. So what is the R.O. Hoson Breast Self-Specialist Exam Promotion Project? Essentially, it is this recommendation of a practical breast screening program and promoting it. So ito yung sequence ang program of screening that I'm recommending. Okay. So in more details, it will consist of these following actions, activities: teach, do, report, evaluate, reward, or TDRER. Okay. So teach on the first consultation, okay, kung bago yung pasyente, so R.O. Hoson, the breast specialist, will teach the patients on how to do breast self-examination. Kung lumang pasyente, kung di ginagawa, tuturuan din ni Dr. Hoson. Okay? Then after that, the patients will be asked to do monthly breast self-examination for at least 6 months. At least 6 months, this is for the project para I suppose pag ginawa yung breast self-examination after 6 months, sanay na, no? Okay. So, but that doesn't mean that you have to end it at 6 months. You have to do it throughout your life. Itutuloy lang, no? For the purpose of this project, 6 months lang nire-require ko para to get the reward. Okay. Then number three, patients report the performance of the monthly breast self-examination. So sasabihin niya sa akin kung kailan niya ginawa, honesty system na lang. Okay? Okay. Kung ginawa niyang this month at kailan, no? Okay. Then every month or not. Okay. Then after that, Dr. Hawson will evaluate the patients on performance of BSE. So titingnan ko how during the consultation, subsequent consultation, ite-test sort of testing, no? Sabi ko paki-demonstrate na how to do it, no? Okay. And then the rewards will be after at least 6 months consecutive monthly breast self-examination, the reward will be a discount on the consultation fee. So the last element here is the breast specialist does the clinical and physical examination of the breast in the process of teaching. When the first consultation, tinuturuan, so ginagawa rin ng specialist yung yung clinical exam. Then, habang ini-evaluate during subsequent check-up, ini-evaluate ng breast specialist yung breast. Okay? And then after that, yung during the rewarding, no, i-reward na makikita yung at least six consecutive month at may mga test din dyan, may mga other requirements like passing the OLETE and then reading the video and how to do it. No? So in details, on teaching. So RO Hoson, the breast specialist, will teach the patients on how to do breast self-examination. This will be reinforced by a video entitled Breast Self-Examination, a Health Habit to Cultivate. And then patients will be asked to take and pass the online learning cum evaluation test exercise on BSE. On doing and reporting, patients will be using a monitoring sheet which they have to fill up and keep, itatago lang nila, and then submit to RO Hoson after at least 6 consecutive monthly breast self-examination. As I said, yung recording dito will be honesty system na lang. Okay. On evaluating, RO Hoson will evaluate the performance of the BSE by the patients during subsequent consultations. RO Hoson will also look at the results of the online learning cum evaluation test exercise on BSE. Rewarding, RO Hoson will give 500 pesos discount on the regular consultation fee after patients have done at least 6 consecutive monthly breast self-examination and pass the evaluation of RO Hoson, may test konting may practical exam, and also the OLETE. Okay? And the reward will be given only once in a year, within the year. So it will be done on a yearly basis starting 2025. And then after that, next year, another cycle again, pwedeng ulitin. No? So 2026, 2027, the same requirements. No? Okay. So hindi lang one shot dito sa 2025. Then after that, it can be repeated on the subsequent years. So this is the picture of the monitoring sheet. Very simple, just is a bond paper. Okay, so it will contain the month, okay, the name and the age, monitoring sheet for 2025, and then the month, and then date the BSE done. Lalagay lang yung, let's say, last time, naumpisahan ko na this project, when I did the breast self-examination, when I asked the patient to do the breast self-examination, they put January 23, 2025. No? So that's the first. Then the next one, bahala na yung kung kailan ginawa. No? February 10, February 20, no? March, up to December. No? Tuloy-tuloy lang. No? Okay. So to get the reward, I should see at least 6 na consecutive, no? Okay. Kung 9, mas maganda. Kung 10, 12, mas maganda. Okay? So then on the second column, the patient will put down the findings. Kung anything unusual, pag wala, lagyan lang none. Okay? Kung meron, lagyan lang mga kung anong mga findings niya. No? Then, the Olete on BSE, okay, when it was passed, I will put the link to the patients, no? Okay, and the video, okay. So, lalagay nita kung kailan, once lang kukunin. Sabihin natin, itong January, nag-umpisa siya, sumali na siya, and then na-pass niya within, let's say, January bukas, no? So, just put the date. So, that fulfills one of the requirements, okay. Then, I will be doing the evaluation, okay, during the subsequent checkup. Na, okay, kung sila, sasabihin ko, ay, okay, pasado ka na, magaling ka na, pwede na, okay. Then after that, up with at minimum of 6 consecutive monthly BSE, I will be giving the 500 pesos discount on consultation fee. So this in essence is the R.O. Hoson Breast Specialist Self-Specialist Exam Promotion Project trying to promote breast self-examination, CUM, together with specialist exam as a practical, simple, cost-effective screening program to detect breast cancer early among Filipino women. So you notice that I did not include mammo ultrasound as the screening here. They will be done only as indicated. Okay? So kadalasan, pwedeng hindi rin gawin yon. Okay? So this RO Hoson Breast Self-Specialist Examination Promotion Project is actually a continuation of the Breast Self-Exam Awards of 2022 to 2024. For those who are familiar with this, okay, naumpisa na natin 2022 to 2024. So binago lang natin ng konti. No? The primary objectives will be the same. The primary objective of the BSC is to promote early detection of breast cancers among Filipino women. More specifically, the objective has been to promote and advocate the practice of health habit called regular breast self-examination among Filipino women so that in case a breast cancer strikes, they will be able to catch it early enough and have it treated as soon as possible. So pareho lang yung objective. So the mechanics of the BSE as a review. So just to compare the old and the new. Okay. So R.O. Hoson Breast Cancer Crusaders promoting BSE, it's received 500 plus 100 pesos per recruited member. So may konting similarity sa 500 sa rewards this time. Okay. BSE practitioners or members of the Breast Cancer Crusaders Club doing monthly breast self-examination for at least 9 months receive 500 pesos each. So instead of 9 months, ginawa ko ng 6 months. Okay. 6 months. Mas lenient ako ngayon. So as of December 2024, we had a total of 136 BSE promoters, practitioners. Okay. And I have given out 81,400 pesos, okay, for this particular project. So ang target ko is actually 200, sabi ko, no? So we will try to recruit 64 more, okay, for this breast self-specialist exam promotion project. But it doesn't mean that we will, if it's effective, we will continue to recruit more than 200. So starting 2025, actually I make a dry run already the other day. Okay. So there will be a modification of the original BSE. It will be transformed into the R.O. Hoson Breast Self-Specialist Examination Promotion Project with the same objective but different mechanics. Okay. So ito yung mechanics, no? So halos may report card din dati, no? Okay. So summary and takeaway. I would recommend that we always develop BSE as a health habit, make it as your first and mainstay screening and detecting armamentarium for breast cancer. You can complement, dagdag nyo yung BSE with a breast specialist exam and imaging procedures as indicated and needed lang. Kung kailangan lang yung mga laboratory exams, okay. Do not rely solely on the breast specialist examination and imaging procedures, as they may give a false negative reading and sometimes false alarms, okay, at the time of examination. And if you do your monthly breast self-examination, kung sakaling may na-miss yung ultrasound o kaya yung mga imaging procedure, you'll be able to catch it earlier. Kasi ang next schedule, usually yung mga examinations will be 6 months to 1 year. Okay, but if you do your breast self-examination, whatever is missed on the first, by the time that the ultrasound, mammography, or the breast specialist exam was done, the next month when you do your breast self-examination, madidiscovery mo na, no? So you can report it right away to the breast specialist. Doing regular BSC is an investment for your breast health. Nobody knows when breast cancer will strike. Okay. Pues kahit na sino pwedeng tamaan. So do monthly BSE so that once breast cancer strikes, you can detect it early enough. With early recognition and early treatment, your chances of cure will be high. So if you don't do your BSE, and if a breast cancer appears and is already in the advanced stage, malaki na, sinong ibe-blame kung di ho kayo? You will be blamed for the situation. So, so you will be blamed for not, somebody will say, you did not love yourself, your body enough. Kaya hindi mo ginawa yung BSE. BSE as a health habit is simple and without cost. It can be repeated anytime without added cost. It can be done anytime and anywhere. It can detect breast cancer and other breast diseases. It can detect early breast cancer as long as it is done regularly and properly, and as long as it is reported to a breast specialist early enough. So dapat inire-report din yung findings. Hindi lang may na-discover sa BSE pagkatapos itatago lang, baliwala. No? So consult a breast specialist right away once a dominant mass is detected during the BSE. So takeaway in relation to patient empowerment, be always in touch with reliable medical information on breast self-examination. Knowledge is power, it gives power. Use the 4 Ks of patient empowerment, kaalaman, kakayanan, karapatan, and kapangyarihan to gain greater control over decisions in the management of your breast health and in detecting breast cancer early in case it occurs because we don't know when it will come. So go for a breast specialist exam practice. So ito pinaka-practical recommendation ko for a screening of breast cancer. So this ends my pep talk today. R.O. Hoson Self-Specialist Exam Promotion Project. I hope I have empowered you to have an understanding of the importance of regular breast self-specialist examination. Yung breast self-examination is monthly. Yung breast specialist is at least annual. Okay. And I've also discussed I hope you have better understanding of the project that I'm trying to promote, which I'm going to start. Actually, I've started the other day. Okay. So reminder before we go to the QA, take the on Olete. I placed the link in the chat box. And then another reminder, 20 Olete certificates will entitle one mentee to a voucher for a RO Hoson medical consultation, either face-to-face or telemedical. And another request, last request, please type in your feedback in the chat box before the open forum and before we adjourn. Let's now have a group picture taking before we start the QA and interactions. Please turn on your video now. Okay. Susan, you want to join us? Charita, you want to join us? Last call. Charlita, Susan. Okay. Oh, baby, nawala si baby. Okay. Two, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so the floor is now open for comments, questions, okay, sharing of experiences, especially those who have gone through the old BSE awards before. Any comment? Mayan, meron kang comment sa bagong programa natin? Unmute, unmute, ay, unmute. Ayan, yan, yan. Go ahead.
Bali, problematic po ako kasi, as I've said last week, nasa Pangasinan halos po yung mga kinukuha ko. So most of the time, uuwi po ako doon just to get their BSE po. Kasi nga, wala pong internet doon. So I need to use my cell phone and then go back here in Manila afterwards. So sabi ko, I was thinking if I will still join this BSE po. Parang malabo na po sa part.
Hindi, wala na yung project na yon. Pinalitan na natin eh, na?
Opo nga.
So, wala na yon, no? So, ngayon, it's really intensive na. Yung talagang minomonitor ko na, na?
Opo.
Okay. So, sorry na lang sila.
Opo.
We just have to change the mechanics, na? Okay, but the
Opo.
objective will be still the same, no? Kung meron silang Kung may natuto sila gumawa ng BSE, that's already a advanced benefit na nakuha dun sa awards na yon, no? So,
Opo.
so it's really up to them kung talagang may natuto sila or kumisan dapat meron silang own may parang may decision, magandang decision nila pag may nakita sila, pakita kagad sa doktor, di ba? Okay.
Opo, Dok.
So let it be that way na lang, no? But we did our best, no? We tried, at least we taught them how to do BSE, di ba? So ngayon, mechanics, iba na yung mechanics ngayon, no? But the objective will be still the same, no? Okay, we will try to promote BSE, no? Okay. So,
Opo.
ito, hindi lang naman yung mga pasyente na pupunta sa clinic ko, no? Okay. So, they can join, no? Through online, but there must be at least one or two consult para ma-check ko, di ba? Okay. So,
Ah,
unlike in the past, di ba, dapat merong video kasi kung minsan yung video, nahihiya sila, kaya ano, no? Kaya sabi ko, ako nang mag-examine sa kanila, no? Okay.
opo.
So they can come and see me. Let's say ngayon, gagawa na ako ng mga Facebook groups, no? Open it to the public, no? They can join ready even without consulting me. Pwede sila mag-manifest na intention to join. They can read the olete, they can take the olete, they can read the video, and then ililista lang nila yung kailan sila nagsimula ng monthly breast health examination, no? At saka tuloy-tuloy lang for the next 6 months at least. Mas maganda up to 1 year, no? And then the rewards will be given at the end of the year. No? Okay. So, within the year, magpapa-check lang sila sa akin kahit na once. Okay? Okay.
Dok, mm, bali may tanong lang po ako. Bali, if ever po halimbawa they wanted to join pero yun nga, wala nga silang pera to have a consultation from you. Bali, ano po, pag halimbawa nag-BSE pa rin sila pero walang na-detect na bukol,
Di
ano yun,
wala.
talagang
Di okay
pa
lang.
rin na
Di okay
pagpa-check
lang.
sa'yo?
If they want to have if they want to have a checkup with me, okay la. May bayad syempre, but I will give them 500 pesos discount, di ba? Okay. But they can have a check with other doctors naman, no?
Ah,
Pwede naman, pwede sa iba, di ba?
po, yung mga center kasi libre po yun, di ba?
Oo. So basta
Tapos
ang
TB niya po
pinaka-importante,
talaga diretso.
basta as long as they're doing the breast self-examination properly and regularly, no? Yan ang
Oo.
pinaka-importante doon, no?
Opo.
Okay. Kung
Thank you po,
kailangan
Doc.
nila magpatingin, patingin nila kagad, no? It doesn't have to be me, no? Yung sa akin, kinakater ko lang sa mga pasyente ko, yung mga loyal patients ko, no? Okay.
Okay po.
Okay.
Thank you po, Doc.
Okay. Any more comments? Wala? Walang comments? Breast self-exam. How many how many are doing breast self-examination on a regular basis? Let's have a show of hands. Wala. Okay. Si Susan, sino pa? Mayan, sino pa? Wala na? Tama yung sinabi ko kanina. A lot of women are not doing breast self-examination. No? Okay, si Lordy, may pahabol. Okay. So, one, two, three out of, ano, si Phoebe, ginagawa niya, no? Phoebe, every night daw sabi ni Phoebe. So, four. Si Rochelle, okay. Rochelle, are you doing it?
Ginagawa, Doc, pero hindi po consistent. I mean, hindi po monthly. Pero ginagawa naman po.
Gawin mo ng monthly.
Yun nga.
Actually, strict speaking, pwede naman everyday eh, habang naliligo eh, di ba?
Mm.
Okay, habang naliligo, gawin no, that qualifies for the monthly, di ba?
Okay.
Okay, as long as you're doing it, no? And then, yung once a month, do it talagang take your time. Parang ibusisi mo lang yung examination mo. Kung talagang wala, no? Okay. So, but
Okay.
when you take a bath, basta tama lang yung ano, no? Ipe-press nyo. Huwag lang yung kuskus na mababaw, no? Just press it sa dibdib, no? Para makapanyo kung meron talaga. Kasi kung
Dapat, Doc, madiin.
oo, madiin. Madiin. Kasi kung
Okay.
minsan, baka malalim yung bukol, hindi na nakakapa. No? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway, next topic, I'll be, actually, I've been repeating that breast self-examination, how to do it. I will reinforce this lecture with the breast self-examination next week. Na? Okay. Yung mga specific techniques. Na? Okay. So,
Okay po.
how to interpret. Na? Okay. Kadalasan kasi yung mga tinuturo sa media, you have to do breast self-examination, ganun-ganon, pati WHO sasabihin ganon. Pero they don't teach the lay people how to interpret, di ba? Kung anong findings, no? Kung how to detect kung talagang serious ito o hindi, no? Okay. So yung sa akin, I will try to give you a lecture on how to interpret kung anong findings aside from how to do it, no? Okay.
Okay, Doc. Thank you po.
Okay. Okay. So who like to join? Who like to join the BSE promotion? Wala. Susan, you can join already. Actually, when you come to see me, yung mga pasyente ko, I will be requiring them to do the breast self-examination. Kahit na ano. Na? Okay. Okay, Susan, unmute. Unmute.
Try ko,
Ayan.
Doc, kasi wala akong prospective crowd pa. Kasi nasa bahay lang ako palagi. Eh, hindi ko rin kilala pa yung mga kapitbahay ko. So, yun.
Yung ano, magre-recruit ka? Ganon?
Kung oo, kung para makasali ako. Best
No,
effort.
no, you don't have to recruit to be able to join.
Okay.
you join. Yung sinabi ko last time when you had a checkup with me.
Hindi, yung kung ako, okay naman ako,
Oo
yung
nga, kaya
sarili
nga.
ko.
Oo nga,
Kaya lang,
ikaw.
minsan maganda rin na, kumbaga, mabigyan mo rin sila ng ano, di ba?
Yeah.
Para, yun pa, kasi parang ako, I'm on an early detection. Parang helpful naman din sa kanila, yung
Yeah.
awareness, yun.
Okay. So that will be part of your
One of my goals. So,
apostolate na
yes,
to
so,
reach out to other people.
yes
Tama
po.
na. Pero ikaw, when you come to see me, aside from the voucher that you're having here, 25
Thank you.
voucher for the 25 Olete, you qualified for that, no? And then you can have a discount during the
Mhm.
subsequent consultation,
Yes
di
po,
ba?
Doc.
Yan. Okay. So, okay. So, wala lang tanong?
Ano po?
So, kung wala na, we'll call it a day. We'll see each other next week again, no?
Yes, Doc.
So, the topic will be how to breast self-examination, how to cultivate that health habit. Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Wala na, last call. Wala na. Thank you. We'll see each other next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Pleasant
Nice
Doc.
Sunday to
meeting you
all. Happy
again, Dr.
Sunday.
Ray.
Doc.
Bye-bye.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
po.